Alright, welcome back viewers to the SnoCo Makerspace tour. This is part 2 of 3, the tour of our plastics and metal shop. Keep in mind, this is for members only. If you are in the metal shop, you are being escorted. And please observe all PPE as posted. Alright, as we enter, plastics are on the left, metals on the right. Starting with the left, we have our Homebrew Lasers. We've had some factory-built ones, but these ones work better, they're easy to maintain, and we can use open source software, or at least non-proprietary. On the left is 12 by 24 inch by 40 watts. Here on the right is 24 by 36 inch bed at 60 watts. Those are both real wattages, not peak. And then plastic bending, some parts, miscellaneous materials for member use. We also have some screen printing stuff routed back in that hole. Underneath all of our work surfaces is extra stuff. In this case, it's consumables for use. We use acrylics and plywoods heavily on these machines. And then I'm going to stitch in a video here so you can kind of see this, this big guy in action. This laser has both the CO2 laser and the laser diode on board, so you can do fine etching and cutting. Continuing on the tour, on the left we have our PPE cart here. Hopefully it'll look different next time you're arrived. We're working on a new one. Then behind this welding curtain, we'll peek back behind here. Plasma on the wall. This is our Cnc Plasma Cutter here in the back. It's 2 foot by 2 foot. And then our MIG welding that we have, it's a Millermatic 211 with Argon mix in the back there. Sandblaster there. Again, all our work surfaces have dual purposes. Underneath we have storage. Here we have some extrusion, vacuum pumps, cutting tools, etc. Up on top are our lathes that we do workshops on. Belt disc sanders, the aluminum chop saw. Back there is a sheet metal 3-in-1 with the notcher to the left of it. Drill press, big lathe, bandsaw there. Big lathe, we do workshops after you learn how to use the small lathes, and then the manual mill there with the DRO. Off to the left of the manual mill is the Cnc Mill. It's not technically in operation. We have a member making a new controller for it right now. And then finally to the left here we have our kind of a microwave snack bar. Up next we'll continue on into the part 3 for our wood shop. If you have any questions, please leave them below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can.